Hi, this is Watch Hobby. I got for you another unboxing. This time I bought from Timekeeper. This is the brand of the watch shop that I bought. This is what I got. It's a Tissot. But which Tissot? That is the question. So I have a couple of Tissot that I was eyeing, but this particular one is, let me open it up and unveil to you. This is the PRX carbon, made out of carbon. The casing is made of carbon. So this is the inside. Very light. The warranty document below here was already is registered at the shop itself, so I got 2 years warranty. So here's the watch itself. Nice. Plastic is still there. Just take my time to have a look and unwrap it myself. Anyway, do look out for the blog entry when I do the review. Thank you so much for watching. Do follow the channel. Bye bye for now.